Welcome to our channel. Netgear Orbi set up a complete guide for new routers. Step 1. Unbox it. Take everything out of the box. You should see the router, power adapters, Ethernet cable, and maybe a satellite if your kit came with one. Don't toss the little card with the Wi-Fi details, you'll need it. Step 2. Place the router. Set the router in a central spot near your modem. Don't hide it behind the TV or in a closet. It needs some breathing room for a good signal. Step 3. Connect the modem. Grab the Ethernet cable, plug one end into your modem and the other into the yellow internet port on the Orbi router. Step 4. Power it up. Plug in the power adapter and switch it on. Wait a minute or two until the white light on top stops blinking and goes steady. That means it's awake. Step 5. Download the Orbi app. On your phone, head to the App Store or Google Play Store. Download the Orbi app by Netgear. You'll need this for setup, it makes things way easier. Step 6. Open the app and sign in. Launch the app, sign in with a Netgear account. If you don't have one, just create it. It will hardly take 2 minutes. Step 7. Follow the setup wizard. The app will walk you through the steps. It'll detect the router, test the internet, and guide you through naming your Wi-Fi and setting a password. Don't overthink it, just follow along. Step 8. Add satellites, if you have them. If your kit came with satellites, the app will ask you to add them. Plug each satellite into power, wait for the white light, then hit Add Satellite in the app. The sync happens automatically most of the time. Step 9. Wait for updates. The router will probably want to update its firmware. Let it. Don't unplug anything. It can take 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes longer. Be patient. Step 10. Test your connection. Once it's all done, grab your phone or laptop, connect to the new Wi-Fi name you just set up, and run a speed test. If it's working, you're good to go. Thanks for watching.